wanted everyday adventures, this is us walking 4 miles every day. We go down here and you see that fence going along there? We walk along the mountains all the way down to the canal, American Canal. And these are my walking partners right here. So we're trying to ring in the new year awesomely. Healthy and fit. So, okay. Yep, this is Yuma, Arizona. Woohoo! So here's the American Canal between, well, actually, we're in Winterhaven, California, which is on the border of Arizona. We're just at Pilot Knob, which is part of the long term. So this is the American Canal that separates us from Mexico. You see the wall? Yep. And it's about 2¼ miles down here. And so we'll walk back up to camp and enjoy our walk. So I'm getting in about 30 miles a week. Yep, it's pretty. That it is. Nice pretty day today.
Close up connection box, so I'll have the video up there for you.
Okay, so tell me what you did today.
Okay, today we had the umbilical cord going up over the roof to the solar panels.
Right.
So we disconnected that, and now the new wires are here for this smart charger, solar charger. Everything's, these are the 2 wires from the ceiling, from the roof. These are the 2 wires to the connector to the controller.
Sweet.
Through the breaker, through the controller, then back to the battery. I put disconnects on both sides. That's what they recommend.
Awesome.
So now up there is where they had to put the connection box in. These cables are inside the rig now.
Oh, sweet. That's where we had to take the panel out.
Right.
And run all those down.
Yep, 4 of them. Here's the other 2 for the other controller. That'll be for the other 3 panels.
Awesome. And that goes up this week?
Starting tomorrow.
Yay!
We mount the other controller, the disconnects, and rock and roll.
Awesome.
That's it.
All right. Good morning. Well, Bobby's back at the rig, hooking up part of the solar, and I'm here in Mexico getting new glasses. Woohoo! Okay, here we go. We're going to Cynthia Garcia's dental office. Mr. Childers needs to get a crown, a cleaning and a crown, and I'm getting a cleaning. Awesome. And here we go. Here's the business hours. Awesome. Oh, you can be front stage here, buddy. So who recommended this place to y'all?
We found this place 5 years ago. We were up eating at one of the restaurants, and one of the waiters, we were asking for a good reputable doctor to go get some dental work. And we went to a couple places down here, and they just wanted a fortune, and kind of like used car salesmen. So Senor Freddy recommended that we come down here to Dr. Cynthia Garcia, and we've been happy ever since.
It's actually been 6 years.
Wow. Hey, that's pretty awesome.
Yep. So
And our first time.
And we've been very satisfied with everything we've ever had done here.
it's a little bit off the beaten path, only a block. It's not on the main drag down there, which, you know, you've been down to some of the towns that the stuff in the main section usually costs more.
Right.
But if you get off a little bit,
Exactly.
it's a lot better economically feasible for your wallet. Doesn't mean the care is less or anything like that. This place is very nice and clean, and it's very highly recommended from us.
Yes.
And you've
And
got
I-
a lot of dental work done here.
A lot of people we've recommended came here, and everybody's happy.
Sweet. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bobby's in the chair, and he's checking his teeth. Well, he looks kind of relaxed. We shall see, huh?
Face a little more to your right.
There he is. They're preparing Bobby for his crown. You're getting your permanent crowns, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And a clean.
And a cleaning. I got my cleaning yesterday. This is awesome. Eating French fish tacos and shrimp tacos today. We come to this place every time we come down here.
This is the best place.
Yes. So what do you guys think?
Yep, this is the place to come.
That's it. And the line is out there. Woo! Out the door. How was your experience with the dentist in Mexico at Miss Cynthia Garcia's office?
My doctor wasn't her, it was her cousin, Jose. And he did a really good job. Have some crowns made and installed. So most of you that do dental work know how expensive that can be in the United States. I was told by my doctor in Georgia that it was going to run me anywhere from $1,900 to $2,300 for one crown, and that was using my insurance. So, and I don't think the insurance maybe only covered maybe a couple $100, if that. It's not a very good insurance for that kind of thing. In fact, I'm probably going to drop it because it's not worth what I'm paying for it. But the quality of the work in Los Algodones is how they say it, in Mexico, just right across the border there from Yuma. It was excellent. I got 2 crowns, and it's the white ones, not the dark material. They're white. Look just like teeth, and they feel like teeth because they slightly, I guess, put them under the gum when they do the work on you. So they're the best crowns I ever had. But the price was very reasonable, and I also had here in the front a chip that he fixed for free. So I have to say,
And you got a cleaning too. So did I.
I got the cleaning, and Sharon got her cleaning, and the 2 crowns, the 2 cleanings, and the free repair in the front that I'd already spent $1,000 on here in the States at several dentists. It's still holding, and that's a month and a half later since I had the work done, since I had the crowns put on. And I'll tell you, you can't beat the price for $700. I'm serious, folks. $700. It would have cost me $4,000 here in the United States to have this same work done.
Every bit of that.
And I'm thinking, wow. And the doctor fixed my front for free. I've never had a doctor do anything for free for me, ever. That's amazing. I can't describe the experience. It's awesome to know that this person cared that much. He wanted my tooth fixed in the front at no charge to me. He just wanted to do it. That's the way I like to work too. Go out of your way for someone, and you like to pay it forward. To me, that's paying it forward, because I can never say enough about his kindness and his quality of work. So Dr. Jose, you're my #1 dentist, and thank you so much. And I'll always have good things to say on your behalf. So y'all enjoy Algodones. See Dr. Jose. Wonderful guy. Wonderful dentistry practice. It was a great experience. Down underneath.